See, exercise number 1.3, prove that root 5 is a irrational number we have to do. So let us start with let root 5 is rational number. If it is rational, it should be in the form of a upon b, where a and b are the co-primes. Okay, co-primes means their HCF will be is equal to 1. Okay, now next step we will be squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. Root 5 whole square is equal to a upon b whole square. So we can write root 5 square is equal to 5. A square upon b square. Okay, now 5 upon 1, cross multiplication. We can write like this: a square is equal to 5 into b square, 5b square. A square into 1, a square. 5b square. That means 5 is the multiple of, a is the multiple of 5. A square is the multiple of 5. When it is the multiple of 5, here 5 is the factor of a square. Okay, 5 is the factor of a square, so it will be factor of a also. Okay, this is the first equation. This is the first equation, and this is the second equation, and this is the third equation. Now let us take, let C be the any positive integer. Okay, any positive integer. So if it is C is the positive integer, A is already, it is a multiple of 5. So you can write C, 5C, because already we know that A is the multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means 5 multiplied by any number. So already as it is a multiple of 5, we have taken A is equal to 5C. Now here also squaring both the sides, A square is equal to 25C square. This is the fourth equation. So from equation 2, what is A square is equal to 5B square. So in place of A square, we will be taking 5B square. Because here 5B square we have got as A square. So in place of A square, we are taking 5B square, 25C square. So B square is equal to here 25 upon 5. Okay, therefore B square is equal to 5C square. That means 5 is the B square is equal to multiple of 5. That means 5 is the factor of B square. 5 is the factor of B. This is the equation 5. So from equation 3, we have got 5 is the factor of 5, factor of A, and this we have got from fourth equation. 5 factor of B we have got from fifth equation. So this is contradictory to our hypothesis. Why contradictory? Hypothesis or assumption, because we assume that HCF is equal to 1. Contradictory to our hypothesis or assumption, since HCF of A and B is equal to 1. But here we are getting HCF is equal to A or B is equal to 5. Other than 1, nothing should be factor. But we are getting HCF. Therefore, root 5, if it is in the form of A upon B, is not a rational number. If it is not a rational number, therefore root 5 is a irrational number. Okay, thank you.